Hey, this is Glennie, and I am here in our Santa's workshop shop today and celebrating the season and bringing you Tuesday Newsday. So we have some things to talk about today. Um, everybody always wants to know what the weather is like in Hamilton, and right now it's cold. It is cold.
It's so cold.
It is so cold, but chin up because I think it's supposed to maybe be in the 40s next week,
Ooh,
but that's what the weather guessers say.
that'll be
So
nice.
won't that be, that'll be, spring like, right?
Maybe.
Right. I don't know. Have you heard if we're going to have a white Christmas?
I haven't heard. I know, we hope for it, but if it's
Yes.
gonna be cold, you want it to be pretty,
You just as well
like with
have
snow.
snow.
But
Yeah.
I don't know.
I know. Well, we'll hope for it. Maybe
Yes.
Santa will make our wishes come true.
Yes.
Yes. So uh, the important thing is the Friday tutorial. So the Friday tutorial this week is what if the winter stardust pattern, and Natalie is doing that tutorial, and it is so pretty. So I think you're really going to love this one. So check that out on Friday. Um, so I don't know if I have told you about my Thanksgiving that we had this year. We had 16 people. I know. And
Hmm.
all homemade food, and everybody was fat and sassy, and
We love it.
we love it. We love it. And this year we didn't do a turkey. This year,
Really?
right? Yeah. This year, well, of course, we always have a ham. That's a family thing. But I did pot roasts this year.
That sounds
It was
good.
so good, the old fashioned pot roast with the
Yeah.
potatoes and carrots and all of that.
Hmm.
Hmm. Yeah, it might be a new tradition. We don't know yet, but always make the homemade chicken and noodles. That's a Midwestern thing.
Oh
So
yeah.
one year I didn't, and there was a revolt at the family. Yeah, so they said,
Darn it.
"Yeah, I know, never again.
Never
You
again.
have to make the noodles." So, but Christmas is always a little different for my crew because uh, we keep it pretty pretty easygoing because it's always about the kids and the gifts and the fun traditions like that. So the food is not the biggest deal, but
Yeah.
so this year we're going to do like chili and soup and sandwiches.
That's
It's
cozy.
very
That's
cozy. Yeah,
cozy.
cozy Christmas. We've done breakfast Christmases before.
Yeah.
Lots of different things, but we like to do the snacks and,
Our family does too. We do lots of snack. We're very snacky on Christmas, and we'll
yes,
do a dinner sometimes, but sometimes we really just snack all day and hope for the best.
that's right. That's right. And the kids love that because,
Hmm.
of course, cookies and snacks are
Oh
way up
yeah,
there
all
on
the
the list.
treats.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So that's what Christmas is all about. Um, one of the things that we try to do in my family, we try to do handmade things for Christmas. So the kids always get store bought fun things, but we try to do at least one handmade gift. And right now, I'm trying to figure out how I can say this without a copyright infringement. I am currently crocheting a Stranger 1980s TV series. You get where I'm going with
Uh huh.
this?
Uh
Uh-huh.
huh.
The monster with like the
Oh, that's so
I
fun.
know it is so fun. Yeah, one of my granddaughters is really into that TV show right now. So I am making that, and
Oh, they'll love that.
I was telling Cherry earlier today that I spent all evening making the toes for
Oh my gosh.
yeah, it's fiddly, but oh, I love doing that kind of thing. So yeah, that's the one gift that I'm working on, and I can tell you that one because I know she will not watch
Yeah,
my
the
Tuesday
Tuesday
Newsday.
news day. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, so that's kind of the fun things that we like to do for Christmas.
Yeah.
What do you, other than snacks, do you guys have any big
Um,
plans?
I don't really know this year because with like grandma and grandpa gone still.
Mm-hmm.
I know we'll still get together as a family and do dinner and some gift exchanges. My family always does like our sibling gift exchange, and we've been like the last few years we've done like cringy shirts. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see what everybody gets, but pretty much we just kind of hang out and spend the day together, watch movies, kind of
Hmm.
play
Play
games and
games. Yeah.
yep.
We do a lot of Yahtzee at
Yes.
Christmas.
We do
Yeah.
Farkle.
I
Lots of
love
Farkle.
Farkle.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I bought some fun new games for the kids. There's a game named Oozle or Uzzle.
Oh, I've never heard of that one.
Yeah, it's like blocks. You get a card that shows a pattern, and everybody has blocks, and you have to the first person to make the pattern wins that hand. It's super fun, and everybody can do it. So from the 7-year old to the oldest
Yeah.
one in the group, we can all do it.
That's fun.
So yeah, game playing and things it's a big family tradition.
I love that.
Yeah. So, one of the things that they asked me to talk about a little bit is, because not because I do last minute
Yeah.
things, right? We get so busy. What kind of last minute gifts or projects were we thinking about? So I picked up a couple of little things. Uh,
Oh.
if you do any handiwork, and I do a lot of hand sewing myself, so these types of things are super cute. This is a felt toadstool.
Ooh.
Yeah, so it's just you just cut the felt, stuff it, just hand sew. It's rustic, it's adorable. That would be a cute little handmade gift,
That would be
or
so cute.
yeah, or give it away as a gift for someone else to make.
Ooh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yeah. So some of the grandkids are old enough; they could probably make something like that. And then punch needle is fast. Punch needle is super fast, and you can go from a tiny little thing like this. We have some really cool kits. These are fantastic, and you have everything in these kits from the yarn, uh, and then you have a complete project when you're finished with that. Things that you could look at as last minute projects. Something like this really cute stocking. Stockings are fantastic gifts for next year's Christmas. Placemats, table runners are fantastic. Pillow covers are always handy, and I have seen on TikTok where people are using their scraps and making bookmarks. So the
Oh, fun.
little corner bookmarks. Rachel, don't pay attention to me when I'm talking about that. So there are lots of different things that you can make last minute to give as gifts, and then maybe you can embroider on some of your things to personalize them. We have all sorts of gorgeous, gorgeous cotton, pearl cotton, and DMC floss that you can use. Lots of really cool embroidery kits. So lots of great. I'm just saying lots.
Yeah, there are lots of different things to do. I've picked up embroidery myself recently, and it's been so fun. Like I've just been able to I've made little ornaments, and I have the Christmas kit, so I've been working on that too. But
Yeah,
that's a really fun one. There are a lot of really fun like little projects too that you can work on. There's a lot of last minute things I need to work on myself.
Yeah, I think we all have some last minute things to work on. But yeah, when I get done with my crochet, embroidery is great because there's no counting, right?
Yes.
So I can just sit there and watch a Christmas movie, and but I think the monster is going to take me a minute. So
I believe that.
Yeah. So I can't think of anything else to share with our group here today, other than I hope everybody has a fantastic holiday season, and we will see you next week on Tuesday Newsday.
Sounds good. We'll see ya.
Yeah, have a
Stay
great
warm,
day.
everybody.